What are we driving?
uh, uh.
All right, so I think I have everything wired up that I need to have wired up, as far as I can tell. So, moment of truth is to connect the battery, and hopefully there are no wires that are damaged or pinched or anything like that. So maybe what I'll do is I'll unplug the ECU to protect it, just in case something does go bang, because I got that ability to make things go bang, and not in like a cool way, like just my way. So stand by. All right. So unplug. There we go. There's one. So I just temporarily ran some lines for the purposes of doing this 20-minute break-in, and so that's why that is that way. And all right, moment of truth. We're gonna go hot. I think it's good. I don't see anything smoking. Let's make sure these dashes, any dash things. Cycle the pump. Let's take a look. Cool. No fuel leaks. Check. We'll put the rad in, get the hoses on, fan connected, fill it with coolant, then we'll take out the spark plugs, cycle the engine, and check for oil pressure, and then once that's good, we can actually do the physical start. Let's cycle some oil, and what we'll do is just to take load off of everything, including the starter, because it'll just make it spin faster and not wear out the battery and all that stuff. We'll take out the spark plugs. It's gonna be the first time it's spun over on anything more than just me using a wrench or like a tool to turn it. So we'll take the spark plugs out just to give it the best chance to spin nicely. And moment of truth. So the system is, the whole system is live, but I'm just gonna remove, the ignition isn't on. So I just removed the plug for the switch, and I made this little wire here. It's 2-in-1, just to give it some more current. And then we'll touch this on the positive, and it'll spin everything over. So super nervous and anxious. I'm actually shaking a little bit. But this is the next hurdle. We've tested the fuel system, tested the electrical. So now we'll just have this going back into the engine. Hopefully it spins. We got oil, so that's good. Oil pump works. Motor spins over. And again. Oil pressure's really good. It almost sounds like there's a little bit of chain noise. So I'm just gonna keep on cycling oil, seeing if maybe just oil pressure hasn't been able to reach the chains enough yet. There you go. Nice. That was it. So a new timing belt or timing chain tensioner will have air in it, and it takes a little bit of cycling to get it through. And so after enough time, it applied more tension on the chain as the air got worked out of it. So it should be good now. Yeah, good oil pressure. Look at that. Nice, nice. Next hurdle done. I'm actually getting goosebumps. Oh, I'm gonna tighten this guy. Good thing I checked. All right, I'm gonna fill it with water, and then we'll come back for the startup, and hopefully that'll be the next hurdle. Oh, man, I just can't wait to get all this crap over with. I can just relax. I'm gonna have a special visitor come by, and so I'm gonna get off of this for now. I'm gonna end it here. In the next video, it'll be all about the startup, and hopefully all the parts stay inside the engine. That's what we're hoping for. Please, 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 please stay inside. Oh man, I can't wait. All right, thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, all that stuff. VR6 Turbo B3 wagon. How sick is that? That's cool. So on the next one, it'll be a fully built engine starting up for the first time. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.